Hello merry friends, tonight glitters with sparkling cheer. Bluey celebrates Christmas with a magical dog. Snowflakes swirled like sugar sprinkles, Bluey twirled with giggles of joy. A giant tree sparkled with dazzling lights, the dog barked with jingling bells. Bluey gasped at the shimmering ornaments, they sparkled like captured rainbows. The dog wagged his tail merrily, Bluey hugged him with glowing delight. Presents stacked taller than rooftops, Bluey peeked with curious wonder. The dog sniffed shiny ribbons playfully, Bluey laughed louder than sleigh bells. Candy canes dangled like sweet icicles, Bluey whispered, "This feels like magic." The dog howled a festive tune, Bluey clapped her hands happily. A stocking overflowed with glittering surprises, Bluey squealed, "Can you believe this?" The dog nudged a glowing gift. Children, like this video and subscribe, so you join every sparkling Bluey moment, because magic grows when friends gather. Bluey opened the shimmering package slowly, inside glowed a golden collar. The dog barked with shining pride, Bluey placed it gently around him. Lights flickered brighter across the room, the star twinkled like heavenly fireflies. Bluey twirled in joyful circles, the dog danced beside her cheerfully. Neighbors caroled with harmonious joy, snowflakes drifted onto smiling cheeks. Bluey shared cookies warm and sweet, the dog licked crumbs happily. A sleigh whooshed across the sky, Bluey pointed with glowing eyes. "Santa is waving," she shouted, the dog barked in thunderous glee. Reindeer bells jingled across rooftops, Bluey waved with sparkling wonder. The dog leapt with festive excitement, Bluey joined with shining laughter. Gifts showered gently from Santa's bag, Bluey caught one with surprise. The dog sniffed the sparkling box, inside glowed a snowy globe. Bluey shook it with delight, tiny flakes swirled like winter fairies. The dog barked joyfully at the sight, Bluey whispered, "Forever Christmas magic." Candles flickered like cozy hearts, Bluey yawned beneath twinkling lights. The dog curled beside her warmly, together they dreamed of endless cheer. And children, remember this happy sparkle, Christmas grows brighter when love shines.